puso sa titipuhay-buhay. Lupang inihan, luya ka ng magiting sa manlulupig. Di papasisiil sa datang ang butok sa simuya. Sa langit po'y bago, may datang ang dalawa awat sa pamaliging mamahal. At isa tang watawat mo'y tagumpay na labdi dilim. Ang matuwin ng araw niya kailang pamalibag didilim. Lupa ng araw na luwal at ipot sa tapoy nahig sa piling mo. Ang maligaya na't pag may maaapi ang mamatayan dahil sa'yo. Panata makabayan, iniibig ko ang Pilipinas, aking lupang sinilangan, tanhana ng aking langit. Kinupupo ako at tinutulungan, maging malakas, masipag at marangal. Dahil mahal ko ang Pilipinas, dirinding ko ang payo ng aking mga magulang. Susundin ko ang tuntunin ng aking paaralan. Tutuparin ko ang tuntunin ng sambayang makadiyos, makatao, makakalikasan at makabansa. Panunumpa sa watawat ng Pilipinas. Ako ay Pilipino, buong katapatan nanunumpa sa watawat ng Pilipinas at sa bansang kanyang sinasagisag na may dangal, katurungan at kaliyaan na pinapakilos ng sambayang makadiyos, makatao, makakalikasan at mabansa. DepEd Vision with dream of Filipinos who passionately love their country and whose values and competencies enable them to realize their full potential and contribute meaningfully to building the nation. Administrator and staff, as stewards of the institution, ensure enabling supporting environment for effective learning to happen. Family, community, and other stakeholders are actively engaged and share responsibility for developing lifelong learners. DepEd mission to protect and promote the right of every Filipino to quality, equitable, culture-based, and complete-based basic education where students learn in a child-friendly, gender-sensitive, safe, and motivating environment. Teachers facilitate learning and constantly nurture every learner. Administrator and staff, as stewards of the institution, ensure a benign supporting environment for effective learning to happen. Family, community, and other stakeholders are actively engaged and share responsibility for developing lifelong learners. DepEd core values, makadiyos, makatao, makakalikasan, at mabansa. Good morning, Teacher Cherry. Good morning, classmates. It's nice to see you again. Mabuhay! Mambanahaw is a holy mountain in Quezon Province.